this. It's an inchworm blowing in the wind from this tree way up here. He's hanging way down. Sorry, we just got done walking up the hill. And I'm out of breath, and I saw this dangling here. A little inchworm friend. Oh! So cute. He's got a long way to go. I'll check back on him in a few minutes. I'm gonna take the dogs inside. Let's see if I can get him in camera here where you can see him. And the wind's blowing, so he's going back and forth. He's up by the sun. Oh, he's getting higher and higher. Come on, little buddy. You cute little green buddy. I have another video titled, I think, Inching His Way Into My Heart or something. And it's really cute. I was on the porch and he had crawled up on me. I don't even know where I picked him up from. So I see a recurring theme here. Okay, has he made it? Did he make it? Oh my gosh, he's so close. He's just inches. The inchworm is inches away. Let's see what he does when he gets there. This is so exciting. I'm on the edge of my seat. Imagine how he feels. Come on, buddy. There. Touchdown. He had a long way to go. Okay. Glad you got to share the inchworm's journey with me.